Are you struggling to find out which Scrum Master certification is the best? Or are you confused with how to get yourself enrolled for Scrum Master certification? What is the eligibility criteria? What is the fees? What is the cost? And various other things like prerequisites. So if yes, then you have landed at the right place, because in this video I'm going to tell you about the best Scrum Master certifications available in the market at the current time. These days, there are a lot of Scrum Master certifications out there, and hence it is very important for you that you know that which is the authentic certification, what are the globally recognized certification bodies and institutes which are providing these certifications. You should not fall in any trap or end up in wasting your money in getting any such certifications which is not recognized by the industry, or which is really not worth doing and which is not authentic. So as of current time, there are 5 major Scrum Master certifications bodies or institutes which provide various Scrum Master certifications. All these are different certifications, and all these 5 institutes are purely authentic and globally recognized. So you can go for the certification from any of these. I'll talk in detail about each of the institute and the certification it provides, and I'll go in detail of each certification. So let me first tell you what are these 5 authentic governing certification bodies. The first is Scrum Alliance. Many of you must have already heard about it. It is very popular. The second is Scrum.org. The next is PMI, Project Management Institute. The fourth one is Scaled Agile INC, and the last is Scrum INC. So these are the 5 bodies. Now let me talk in detail about the certifications that each one of these institutes offer. So first, let's talk about Scrum Alliance. It offers 3 Scrum Master certifications. These are 3 levels of certifications. The first is a CSM, which stands for Certified Scrum Master. There is no prerequisite to appear for this certification. You just need to get yourself enrolled and get the 2 days of training and appear for the exam. You can go on Knowledge Hut. You will find the CSM training schedule. You can pay the fees and get yourself enrolled. The examination is included with the training enrollment. So let me talk about the fees and renewal criteria, everything about CSM. So CSM will cost you somewhere around 24,000 Indian rupees. And I mean, if you're paying in US dollars, then it would be around 1,000 US dollars for you. This is a 1 hour of exam with 50 multiple choice questions, and the passing score, the minimum passing score is 74%. This certification is having 2 years of validity. After 2 years, you will have to pay a renewal fee of $100 to renew the certification. So this was about CSM. The next level of certification which Scrum Alliance provides is ACSM, which is Advanced Certified Scrum Master. This exam has a prerequisite that you should be having at least 1 year of experience as a Scrum Master, and this 1 year of experience should be from last 5 years, not beyond that. So in recent 5 years, you should be, having 1 year of Scrum Master experience. That's the prerequisite. And the cost of this certification is 40,000 Indian rupees. And again, this also expires after every 2 years, and you will have to pay 175 US dollars as a renewal fee. The last third certification by Scrum Alliance is CSP, which stands for Certified Scrum Professional. To appear for a CSP, because this is the third level, it is mandatory that you should be already having the second level, which is ACSP certification. So you cannot go to next level without having the previous level of certification. That's the prerequisite for these Scrum Alliance certifications. So CSP is the last level. So this is something like, if you want to prove your expertise in the area of Scrum, then you can go for this. This requires you to have minimum 2 years of experience working as a Scrum Master or product owner in last 5 years. The cost for this exam is 17 not 17, it is 250 US dollars. And again, this will also expire after every 2 years. So this is about all the three certifications that we have from Scrum Alliance. The next is scrum.org. Similar to Scrum Alliance, as how it provides 3 levels of Scrum Master certification, scrum.org also provides 3 levels of Scrum Master certification. The first is PSM 1, Professional Scrum Master 1. This is the basic level, there is no prerequisite. Here it is not also mandatory that you go ahead for training. If you think that you have enough knowledge, you can just directly go for the exam. So PSM 1, the basic level, it will cost you 24,000 Indian rupees. And the best thing with scrum.org certifications are that they are valid for lifetime. So the certification will never expire. You will never have to pay any kind of renewal fee. It's there with you for the lifetime. That applies to all the levels of PSM certifications. So yeah, 24,000 Indian rupees you will have to pay. And the exam will consist of 80 multiple choice questions that you will have to attend in 60 minutes. Here the passing score is 85%. That's the minimum you will have to get to clear this exam. In this exam you will get both multiple choice questions as well as true false. So this was about the exam pattern. The next is PSM 2, Professional Scrum Master Level 2. To appear for this exam, it is mandatory that you should be already having PSM 1. This will cost you around 250 US dollars. You will get 1.5 hour to complete this exam, and there will be 30 multiple choice questions. So and in this there will be also multiple select questions in addition to multiple choice questions. So this is the exam pattern of PSM 2. This will allow you to prove that you have an advanced knowledge of Scrum. You have demonstrated Scrum mastery in the practical world. So this is that kind of certification. So and the last is PSM 3, which is the most difficult level of Scrum Master certification. It's mandatory that you should be having PSM 2 if you want to appear for PSM 3. This exam is incredibly difficult. But yes, this will demonstrate that you are expert in Scrum. The cost of this exam is 500 US dollars. There is no training available for this examination, and this will be a 2.5 hours of exam. All the questions will be subjective. You will have to literally type in the answers. Copy pasting, is also not allowed in this examination. And one more thing, all the exams of PSM, all the levels, they all are open book exams. Okay, so we talked about Scrum Alliance, we talked about scrum.org. These two I took first because amongst the five which I'm going to talk, these two are on the top if you talk about the popularity. Also, when it comes to Scrum Master's job, in most of the job descriptions, you will observe that they'll mention you should be having either CSM or PSM certification. So if it comes to job, then these two are the hottest Scrum Master certifications out there. That's why I talked about these first. In one of my previous videos, I have also talked about the difference between PSM and CSM and which one you should go for. If you want to go in the detail and if you want to decide between PSM and CSM, you can watch out my that video. I have also given the link of it in the description box. Okay, now I'll talk about the third one, which is Scrum Master certifications from PMI, Project Management Institute. Lot of you must be already aware about PMI. It is a well established and globally recognized certification body. Especially if you are from a project management background, then you must be very much familiar with PMI. So there are two Scrum Master certifications, available over here. The first is DASM, which is Disciplined Agile Scrum Master. So there is no prerequisite for this certification exam. It's just that you have to enroll yourself for a 2 days of training and then give the exam. This is valid for 1 year only, and you will have to pay the renewal fee of 50 US dollars to renew the certification. Apart from this, another important thing is that this is a closed book exam. Unlike PSM, this is not open book. This is a closed book online exam. You will get 50 multiple choice questions over here that you will have to complete in 1.5 hours, and the passing percentage is 70%. For this exam, sometimes it might be difficult for you to find out the schedule. Generally it's not very much popular, but yes, it is out there and it is a valid and authentic Scrum Master certification. Mostly they schedule the DSM training for corporate clients. If you will go on Knowledge Hut, you may not find the individual training schedule for this exam. You can also go to Eisenbridge for this. I have seen that on Eisenbridge the training schedule is available for this certification. And the cost of this certification is little bit on a higher side. It will cost you 35,000 Indian rupees or 500 US dollars. So this was all about DASM. The next second level of Scrum Master certification provided by PMI is DASSM, which is Disciplined Agile Senior Scrum Master. This is the advanced level of Scrum Master certification. For this, there is a prerequisite. To appear for this exam, you should be having at least 2 years of leadership experience in an agile team. That is needed. The cost is even higher. It will cost you 50,000 Indian rupees, or 730 US dollars. Okay, I'll and yeah, one more thing. Again, you can go to Eisenbridge if you want to, find out the schedule for this certification. Next is Scaled Agile INC, which again provides 2 Scrum Master certifications, and this is especially for those who work in a scaled agile environment. So in that scenario, it's good that you have safe Scrum Master certification. So the 2 certifications available over here is Safe Scrum Master. That's the first one, which is popularly called as SSM. The cost for this exam is 55,000 Indian rupees, and it is valid for 1 year. You will have to pay 100 US dollars for the renewal, and also there is an additional membership fees also over here, which is 195 US dollars, so it's a bit expensive. Yes, also for the renewal, it's required that you have 10 professional development units every year, PDUs. These PDUs you can get by enrolling yourself in any of the Scrum conferences, trainings, etc., from wherever you can get the PDUs. So this is the requirement for renewal. Again, this is a closed book exam. It will be having 45 multiple choice questions, and you will get 90 minutes, and you have to get 34 questions right to pass this exam. That's the minimum you need to get right. Other than that, there is no other prerequisite for this examination. Okay, the second level under Scale Agile Scrum Master certification is SASM, which is Safe Advanced Scrum Master. This is the advanced level of Safe Scrum Master certification. This also does not have any prerequisite. It's not mandatory that to have SASM you should be having SSM. That's not needed over here. This exam costs you 60,000 Indian rupees. It is a closed book exam with multiple choice and multiple select questions. You will get 120 minutes to answer, and you will get 60 questions with 44 questions correct. You will have to mark 44 questions correctly if you want to pass this exam. So this was all about Scaled Agile Scrum Master certifications. The last is Scrum INC. Many of you must have heard about Scrum INC. It's a institute, or we can say Scrum organization, by a co-creator of Scrum, Jeff Sutherland. This certification body provides only one Scrum Master certification, which is called as Scrum Master by Scrum INC. This again does not have any prerequisite, but this also gets expired. It has 1 year of validity only. You will have to pay 25,000. You will have to pay 25 US dollars to renew the certification every year. The cost for the exam is quite high. I think it's the expensive amongst all. So this exam will cost you 2,000 US dollars, and you will have to get yourself enrolled in the training. This again you can find out from Knowledge Hut or Scrum INC itself. the exam will come with the training itself. It will be included when you enroll yourself for the training. So in this exam you will get 30 questions, out of which you will need to answer 23 questions correctly. So yeah, this was the fifth. And I'm done. So these are the five certification bodies and various certifications and their levels, which these certification bodies provide. You can go with any of these, but yes, generally in industry these days for the job, I mean, if you want to get certified, because somewhere that's a mandatory criteria to meet if you're applying for a scrum master job at some organization, then the highly recognized ones are PSM and CSM. So I hope now you have got to know about all these five authentic certification exams. Before you go for exam, you can also do for you can also go do a little bit of your own research to figure out which one suits you, depending upon how much experience you have, and the reason why you want to get the certification. So you can also do a little bit of research on your own and figure out which one you want to go for. If you have any questions, you can let me know. I can help you out with that. If you are not able to decide which certification you want to go with, you can ask me. I'll be more than happy to help you. But I hope that I have given you an overview at least, and it will be helpful for you to know at least what all authentic certifications are available out there and which one you can go for. So, thanks for watching. Stay safe amid this COVID situation. Stay healthy, stay happy. And yeah, again, thank you. If you have any questions, please do let me know in the comments box. Bye bye.